Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic cascading style sheets. So let's get started. What is the difference between M and REM units in CSS? The correct answer is option B. M is relative to the font size of the element itself or its parent, while REM is relative to the font size of the root element. Which CSS property is used to control the stack order of elements? The correct answer is option C, z-index. Which attribute selector selects every A element whose ref value begins with HTTPS? The correct answer is option A ref caret equals HTTPS. When using box sizing, border box, what is included in the specified width of an element? The correct answer is option C, content, padding, and border. Which Flexbox property is used to distribute extra space among items along the main axis? The correct answer is option B, justify content. In a CSS grid layout, which unit is used to create flexible grid tracks that take up a portion of the available space? The correct answer is option C, FR. What is the opacity, 0, declaration due to an element? The correct answer is option B. It makes the element invisible, but it still occupies space and can be interacted with. Which of the following has the highest specificity? The correct answer is option C. An inline style attribute, style equals. How do you declare a custom property, CSS variable, in CSS? The correct answer is option D, primary color, number 333. Which CSS property is used to specify whether the background image should scroll with the rest of the page or a fixed position? The correct answer is option A, background attachment. Which value of the position property keeps an element in the flow of the document but allows it to stay fixed within its container when scrolling reaches a certain point? The correct answer is option C, sticky. What is the purpose of the calc function in CSS? The correct answer is option A. To perform mathematical calculations for property values. Which property defines the space between the content and the border of an element? The correct answer is option B, padding. Which pseudo-class matches an element only if it is the first child of its parent? The correct answer is option B, first child. What is the correct syntax for a media query that targets screens with a maximum width of 600 px? The correct answer is option A, at media screen and max width 600 px. Which CSS property is used to change the capitalization of text? The correct answer is option B, text transform. What does the flex shrink property do? The correct answer is option C. It determines how much a flex item will shrink relative to others when there is insufficient space. Which property is used to create space between the columns in a multi-column layout? The correct answer is option C, column gap. Which CSS property is used to add a shadow to an element's text? The correct answer is option B, text shadow. Which value for display creates a block-level container that lays out its children using the grid model? The correct answer is option A, grid. How do you select all P elements that are placed immediately after div elements? The correct answer is option C, div plus P. The ch unit in CSS is relative to which of the following? The correct answer is option B, the width of the character 00. Which property is used to set the speed of the transition effect? The correct answer is option B, transition duration. What is the default value of the position property? The correct answer is option C, static. Which CSS function allows you to use a value from a custom property? The correct answer is option D, var. Which property is used to align flex items along the cross-axis? The correct answer is option B, align items. In the HSL color model, what does S stand for? The correct answer is option B, saturation. Which CSS property specifies how an image or video should be resized to fit its container? The correct answer is option A, object fit. What is the effect of overflow, hidden, on an element? The correct answer is option B. It clips any content that extends beyond the element's box. Which pseudo-element is used to style the first letter of a block-level element? The correct answer is option C, first letter. Thank you for watching.